Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts out of Pillsbury biscuits. First, open a can of refrigerated biscuits and separate them. Use a small round cutter, like a bottle cap, to create the donut holes. Keep the holes, they fry up into delicious donut bites. Ensure your oil is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect frying. This simple preparation sets you up for a quick and tasty treat. Now it's time to fry those delicious biscuit donuts. Gently drop 2 or 3 biscuits into the hot oil at a time. Don't overcrowd the pot, as this can lower the oil temperature and result in greasy donuts. Fry each side for approximately 60 to 90 seconds, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Use tongs to carefully transfer them to your cooling rack. Once your donuts have cooled slightly, it's time for the fun part, glazing. You can create a simple glaze by whisking together powdered sugar, a splash of milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. Dip each warm donut into the glaze, ensuring it's fully coated. For a different twist, you can also toss them in a mixture of cinnamon and sugar. Both options are incredibly delicious. There you have it, delicious homemade donuts made from simple biscuits. Serve them warm for the ultimate treat. They are perfect for a quick breakfast, a delightful dessert, or just a sweet snack anytime. These are so easy to make, you'll wonder why you haven't tried them sooner. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.